The Clarke CTJ3000GB heavy-duty 3-ton trolley jack with a maximum working height of 465mm is purpose-built for use in professional garages and workshops. This powerful jack features a single-piece hydraulic unit with automatic overload protection to give maximum reliability, a heavy gauge-based construction for stability, heavy-duty wheels and castors, and a white saddle for easy positioning under the vehicle. It has a minimum saddle height of only 136mm. The extra strong and long two-piece handle features a positive twist locking and release mechanism. With a lifting capacity of 3 tons, the durable Clarke CTJ3000GB will be at home in any professional garage environment.